In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Notion desktop app. If you're new to Notion or just want the fastest, simplest setup, you're in the right place. First, open your web browser and go directly to Notion. Type it into the address bar and press enter. This is the official Notion website, so it's the safest place to get the app. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner for the option to download the Notion desktop app. Click that download button. The site may automatically recognize your operating system and offer a recommended download, but you can also choose your version manually if you need to. Pick the one that matches your device. On a Mac, you'll see options like Universal, Apple Silicon, or Intel. Universal is a great choice if you're unsure because it works across most modern Macs. If you know your Mac has an Apple Silicon chip, such as the M series, you can select that build for the best performance. Older Macs may need the Intel version. On Windows, you'll see x64 or ARM. Most Windows PCs are x64, which is the standard choice. If you have a device like certain Surface models with an ARM processor, choose the ARM build. After you've made your selection, wait for the file to download completely. You can watch the progress in your browser's downloads area. Depending on your browser, the download might show at the bottom of the window, in a Downloads menu near the address bar, or inside your computer's Downloads folder. Let it finish before opening the file to avoid installation errors, and keep your internet connection steady until it completes. When the download is done, open the installer. On Mac, that will be a .dmg file. Double-click to open it, then drag the Notion icon into the Applications folder shown in the window. That's the entire installation on Mac. If you see a security prompt asking if you want to open a file downloaded from the internet, confirm to proceed. On Windows, open the .exe installer. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, click Yes. Then, simply click Next through the setup screens. The default options are fine for most people. Wait a moment while the installer completes and you're all set. You now have the desktop app installed and ready on your Mac or Windows PC. And that's how to download and install Notion on your desktop. Like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.